Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 289 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. What I mean is that the papers chosen are not suitable media so far as my community is concerned. For instance, the Hindustan Times may be a very reputable paper which may be widely circulated, but for whatever the reasons may be, it is the paper which is not read by my community. There is no point in advertising vacancies reserved for my community in a paper like the Hindustan Times. Another reason is that the notices of these vacancies are sent out very often extremely late. Sometimes we received the copies of these notices only a week before the last date of application for these jobs. Another very powerful reason is the indifference and unconcern shown by certain departments of government. The Commissioner has observed that copies of notices of vacancies should be sent as a matter of course to my association. The railways and the Department of Posts do send them, but I have a feeling that not all notices are sent. But may I illustrate the incompetence and the inaptitude of certain departments? I wrote in July this year to the Central Board of Revenue asking them that in keeping with government practice, notice should be sent to the head office of the All India Anglo-Indian Association. It took more than several months for the Central Board of Revenue to state that the matter is receiving their active consideration. In an ordinary routine matter with regard to notices, even after 3 years after these safeguards are supposed to have become operative, the Central Board of Revenue is still giving active consideration to a routine matter such as sending notices of vacancies to my community. This is the reaction of an important, bright, intelligent official who is displaying government's usual alacrity of energy in honoring these professions to the minorities. Then there is a complaint I have received from suitably qualified people who have told me that they have applied under registered cover, acknowledgement due, applied not once but applied several times, but they have not been called. For instance, I had to intervene personally with the Railway Recruitment Board operating from Bombay and the Railway Recruitment Board operating in Selda. It was only after I intervened personally that suitably qualified people who had applied repeatedly and who, for some insecretable reasons, were not considered, were called for interview. That is one feature which I wish to emphasize, which is nothing short of a scandalous disgrace. But I asked the commissioner as to why, although certain small reservations are supposed to exist for my community, the Central Excise Directorate gave me a reply which was amazing.